In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Notion. If you've been looking to spice up your Notion workspace with some functional widgets, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step, so you can seamlessly integrate these handy features into your Notion setup. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open up the Notion page where you'd like to add your widget. Think of this page as your canvas where you'll be placing your interactive widget masterpiece. This could be a dashboard, a personal planner, or any page that you want to enhance with a bit of extra functionality or visual appeal. Next, we need to move on to finding the perfect widget for your needs. This is where widget providers come in handy. Some popular options include sites like Indify, Aption, or Widgets for Notion. Each of these platforms offers a range of customizable widgets, from calendars to weather updates, countdown timers, and more. Take a moment to explore these sites and find the widget that will best serve your purpose. Spend some time tinkering with the customization options available to tailor it to fit your aesthetic and functional needs. Once you've crafted or selected a widget that you're happy with, the next step is crucial. You'll need to get the public embed URL for your widget. Typically, this option is straightforward to find, often labeled as embed or copy URL to clipboard, so keep an eye out for it on the widget provider's page. Copy this URL because it's the code that will neatly place the widget into your Notion page. Now that you've got your widget's URL in hand, let's head back over to Notion. You're going to want to directly incorporate your widget here. To do this, click on the area in your Notion page where you'd like your widget to appear. Once you're ready, type the / key followed by the word embed. This shortcut is a super convenient way that Notion allows users to quickly access the embedding feature. When you see the embed option appear, click on it, which will prompt a dialog box where you can insert your copied URL. Paste the widget's URL into the designated space in the prompt, and finally click Embed Link. At this point, you should see your carefully customized widget appear on the page, seamlessly integrated into the Notion environment. This is your widget, fully functional and ready to interact with. That's it. By adding widgets, you've not only enhanced the visual aspect of your Notion page, but also bolstered its capability to serve your day-to-day needs more effectively. Play around with various widgets and see how they can assist in organizing your workflow. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new and improved Notion setup.